We're rolling?
We're rolling.
Is this thing even on? Check! Now the Czech Republic and Slovakia. This guitar was worth $2,000, but now Tom Davies played it, holding it in my hand. It's worth $5,000 today, Hotel Drover. Here we are live from the living room of the Hotel Drover. Turn on the candlelight. Let me be your light. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you, be my wife. Let me give you a kiss you just like this. Ain't nobody gonna kiss you quite like this. Ooh, baby, come out and save the day. Put your arms around me just like this. Oh, baby, you don't gotta be afraid. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you anymore. Oh, baby, you don't gotta be scared. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you anymore. Turn on the candlelight. Let me give you a kiss. Kiss just like this. Come on and hold my hand. I'll no longer be your man. Ain't nobody gonna love you quite like this. Baby, come out and save my day. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you anymore. It's Irish. Oh, baby, give me that potato jam. I'm just kidding 'cause I don't need it again. Oh, Bailey, green Bailey, and some to save my day. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you anymore. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you anymore. Ain't no convicted felon's gonna hurt you forevermore. Thank you, that's my song.